One of the biggest challenges when sanding, sawing, or drilling into wood or drywall is the amount of dust it creates. That's where Synchro technology comes in, making it easy to collect dust as you work. The Vacmaster Professional 10-gallon wet dry vac with FLT Plus technology includes Synchro technology that lets you control the vac while you work so you can collect dust right at the source. The remote is stored inside the power head. Before using it for the first time, be sure to fully charge the remote using a standard USB-C charger. When you're ready to use the vac in Synchro mode, double-click the on-off button on the Synchro mode to activate it. Then securely strap the remote to your power tool. Next, connect the vac hose to your tool using the included tool adapter. Then, set the switch on the power head to wireless mode. As you begin sanding or cutting, the vibration from the tool automatically triggers the vac to turn on. That means dust is captured instantly, right as it's created. You can also use the remote to control the vac from a distance. For example, if you're cleaning on a ladder or cleaning something overhead, you don't have to climb up and down just to simply turn the vac on and off. Simply attach the remote to the end of the hose or hold it in your hand, confirm the vac is set to wireless mode, and then use the on-off button to control suction. The remote also features a built-in LED light, which helps illuminate dust and debris while you work. The remote comes pre-paired with the vac, but if you ever need to pair it again, it's quick and easy. First, set the vac to wireless mode. Press and hold the Synchro pairing button for 3 seconds until the indicator light flashes green. Once it starts flashing, press and hold the on-off button on the remote for 3 seconds. When pairing is complete, the indicator light on the power head will turn solid green. So, if you're a woodworker and you're creating a lot of dust, or you're constantly moving around the job site and you want hands-free control, this is a vac you're going to want to take a closer look at. Be sure to watch our other videos too to learn more about its additional features.